product policy studies for DEFRA, the UK Department for the Environment, Food and Rural Affairs, and the European Commission. Kirsten is based in Osnabrück in northwest Germany and has been working at GWS for 8 years now. She started working on multi-regional input-output analysis and GRAM in 2009 and has been responsible for our work in that area on this project. I'd now like to introduce the project. Global warming impacts in kilograms or tons of carbon dioxide equivalents are measured on a territorial basis. There are international guidelines under the UN Climate Convention to ensure the quality, transparency, comparability and environmental integrity of these inventories. Each country measures its own emissions, the amount of emissions it produces. This is relatively easy to estimate, and there's little dispute about where the emissions occur because all countries have agreed a consistent approach to monitor their emissions over time and across sources and sectors. A complementary approach is to assign emissions to goods so that the emissions travel with them as they are traded globally. The emissions are then allocated to the country in which the goods are consumed, accounting for the emissions embedded in those goods. Embedded emissions are trickier than territorial emissions to quantify because they involve tracing goods back through what can be complex supply chains. However, such accounting does bring the prospect of understanding how policies implemented in